Someone on my local community's Facebook group had this old Craftsman Drill Press listed that they were looking to give away. It's not in the best of condition and there's some parts missing, but I knew from looking at it that it was probably pretty old. It needs quite a bit of work, but I think I'm up for the challenge. It has what I believe is the original motor off of the drill press, but this is the wrong motor pulley. The motor does run when I plug it in and turn on the switch, but it probably could use some new bearings. It looks like it might have been sitting in water for quite a while because the base is extremely rusty. And even though the spindle does have some rust on it, it still feels like it's in pretty good shape. I didn't check it for run out or anything. I figure if it's got some run out, I may be able to address that at a later time. Well, the first thing I need to do before I can put it back together is take it apart. Well, there it is, all disassembled into its individual components. I'll be spending some time over the next week or so getting all of these parts de-rusted and cleaned up. I'm thinking that some of these pieces will need to get a fresh coat of paint as well. I have new bearings on order for the spindle pulley as well as the spindle itself. This original spindle pulley is a 4-step pulley, which means I should be able to move the belt into 4 different positions and get 4 different speeds. Unfortunately, I don't have the mating motor pulley that should also have 4 steps. I'm going to be on the lookout to see if I can't find an original motor pulley. If I can't find one, I can always try to make one. I have this chunk of 4150 that is just the right size to make a new 4-step pulley. It's barely the right diameter and it's got plenty of height. The major problem is I think it would just end up being too heavy. If I can't find a new pulley, I think I might try to source a chunk of aluminum about the same size and try making it out of that. Well, that's it for this video. It's a little different than the ones I usually publish, but I figured I'd like to try something a little bit different. As always, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, I'd really appreciate you considering subscribing. It really means a lot. And thanks to all of those that have helped support the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.